guys, I just woke up. Oh, I'm just doing some journaling. This is the book I'm reading. It's so good so far. We have breakfast and pomegranate. It looks so ripe. Look at my dog likes pomegranate. Bandit! Here. Like, what dog eats pomegranate? I don't get it. But just have breakfast and then I'll get ready for the day. I'm at Starbucks. Don't mind me. I'm going to get a coffee. I don't know what I want. Let's see.
Thanks for choosing Boston Road Starbucks. How are you doing today? What can I get going for ya?
Can I please do you guys have chestnut praline? No, thank you.
Alright, anything else?
No, that's it.
Alright, you can pull on up then.
Thank you. I just stopped at Starbucks to get a coffee. I got chestnut praline. I love that one. I hope I said hot. Get a paper license because I needed to renew my license. I literally hadn't renewed it in like 3 months. That's so bad. But I finally did it. I went to AAA. I actually wanted to get the newest one, but I couldn't because I needed a form of like ID with my name on like a billing, like a piece of mail, which I had, but the piece of mail that I picked up was from 2017 and I have literally no idea why why one have mail from that, and two, like why I brought that. So because of that I couldn't get it for free that day, which is fine, but like it's like $25 to get the new one, which so the new one is just like the passport where you can like travel. It's so much easier. You don't have to have just your passport. You can have it all on your ID with the gold star, and it's just like makes life easier. But like of course I couldn't get it because I didn't bring it, but it's really not a big deal. Anyways, I hope your guys' day is going good. I'm getting coffee. Like she sees me.
562, honey.
Thank you. So cute. You're welcome.
There you are, honey.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Got it.
And that'll be right up.
Okay, thank you. This is my aunt's chain from Italy. Bag secured. Okay. I just had to park for a second because like oh, okay. What? I need to wash my hair. So I just get chestnut praline, 2 pumps, and no whip. Oat milk latte. Yeah. So good. You guys have to get chestnut praline if you guys haven't. I mean, it's kind of like a distinct taste, but it's so good. And it's like one of the only I don't know, I don't like coffee, like syrups in my coffee, but I feel like if I do like 1 pump or 2 pumps, it's like good. Anyways, I'm going home now. I just came back from class. I have an exam actually at 2, so whoa, gotta go home and do a little homework. Next week's finals week, so I'm so glad we're like gonna be done, which is exciting. And yeah, I need to go home. I'm gonna make sausage with peppers for lunch, I think, and yeah, that'll be really good. So I'll see you guys later. Oh. Making sausage and peppers, some onions for some lunch. Let that cook. I need to clean. Just got home. I'm just like cleaning up a little because I feel like everything's everywhere and I can't work in like messy environments because it just makes me feel messy. And so I'm not doing like a huge clean, but I'm definitely just cleaning a little. Getting like stuff out of the way. Oh, and my memory card. See, this is what happens when you clean. You find stuff. I feel like. Oops. Found it. This coffee is bomb. This is so random, but I love the temperature of Starbucks coffees. I don't know what it is, but they're like never too hot or too, they like don't get cold, but they're like never too hot. I guess in the beginning maybe you can like burn your tongue, but they're always like the perfect temperature. It's so random. But I have to charge my computer. I'm reading a couple books right now. This is one of them. The other one I'm reading is over there by my books and stuff, but then this is the other one I'm reading, Atomic Habits, and it's so good so far. It really helps me, and I really have been trying to find like at least like a couple minutes a day to just read, because I love to read, but sometimes it's like, I don't know, I just feel like I don't give myself enough time to read, and I usually like to read before bed, but I always end up just like falling asleep because I don't give myself enough time to read. So I'll read like 3 pages and like my eyes are like closing like this, and then I'm like, okay, I'm exhausted. But I don't know, there's just something about like getting lost like in a book that's like so much better than scrolling on Instagram. Like I've been really good about like not going on social media as much, like I guess just like randomly throughout the day, which has like really helped my mental state, even though like I mean, I don't know, I feel like you don't think there's anything wrong with it, but sometimes you just like catch yourself like, I don't know, just like aimlessly like scrolling. It's like addicting. It's like I don't want to be addicted to anything, so I try my best to like, I don't know, force myself not to sometimes. Yeah, so anyways, I love YouTube, so I probably will do that and just like sip on my coffee. And I also want to finish this pomegranate because I didn't finish it from this morning. And it's so good. Pomegranate's like my favorite. A little bitter. Anyways. Okay. I also have to charge this. I did my journaling this morning. Oh. And I need to make lunch, but it's 11:50. What'd you used to tell me? I can't kiss frogs?
You got to kiss a lot of frogs before you get the
prince. Oh yeah. That's right.
You might
I've kissed a couple frogs.
Yeah.
Some weren't. Others.
Want to run deal with that.
What? With what?
The frogs.
All the frogs.
They were everywhere.
They were everywhere?
Yeah. No, was good. It was blessing from the sky, but
blessing from the sky.
Take one I eat from my big mouth. are safe and He helps and He wants everybody to be safe. That's why we preach the gospel more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's scary, I mean, to think about.
Yeah.
So after, what do you think is going to be the end time? I don't know.
Nobody knows as far as the day and the hour. You could be your mother's work, or your father's another one. You will be here.
Weird.
Your sister will be there or in bed. You could be that in the midst of the sun or the trumpet sound.
Yeah.
Jesus takes us and picks up in the air.
That's so crazy.
Isn't it beautiful? And then we're sick, but you don't want your loved one to
I
be.
know. You want him to come.
That's why we needed to be more patient and different with them, so we can show them what we believe in faith. But only God that can put the Holy Spirit, and not God that can save them, because He knows at the time. He knows where the heart is.
Yeah.
He's got to wait for the right time. He knows when they'll be able to surrender. It's got something to happen so He can transform them.
Yeah.
So it's not up to us because we want. We're not going to happen.
I know.
Tomorrow.
You go upstairs?
Yeah.
It's like a summer cover-up. Making some dinner.
guys don't know that. I was the first one.
So good.
You're the first one compared to the last. What is this?
I think I need a plate for salad. Salad?
No.
What is this one?
You're the baby. He was one, a million and Maria before. Yeah.
I made my own pie pasta.
Let it go, let it go, let it
Yeah,
go.
I know. I had to make a thing with it. Alexa, play Christmas music. That's too much. salad.
Yeah.
I gotta shave and I gotta do my hair.
I feel like I always wear this shirt. Why do
Well, I
I
get
just
in my
keep on
Frankie
moving?
here.
I like have 5 things on right now.
Let it snow, let it snow,
Let it snow. God is good, Chris.
Yeah.
See what's out there.
Got so much food. Salad, bolognese, Parmesan cheese,
Can't make that huge decision.
a
just
fresh
like
salad,
that.
arugula, and we got some peas and mushrooms. It's better than that. Snow!
Hello.
Oh my gosh. It's the first snowfall.
Hi, I'm Lisa calling you from
It is Wait.
Dripping up. How do I?
My foot. Oh! What kind of hard is that?
Vanessa, how
Oh, do you need,
Huh?
do you need
Snow!
Frankie's number?
Vlog. Ah, this is like a talent. Oh my gosh, why is that oh so big? Vlog. Miss.
How does it look like?
Oh no.
Has a character?
I would love to. Vlogmas. Woo! Oh, my feet are freezing. Missy.
You look like a little kid.
What is that?
Me as a character, and I'm going to show you Andrea.
Wait, hold on, I can't see. You look cute.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that looks like, ooh, what's her
Looks
name?
like Mia.
Oh yeah, it looks like Mia. What are you doing? Hi.
Hi. You smell good.